Hey everyone, welcome back to Tenorshare channel. In this guide, we'll show you how to convert PDF to RTF using Tenorshare PDNob in just a few clicks. RTF stands for Rich Text Format. It is a lightweight file type that can be opened and worked on with most word processors like Microsoft Word, WordPad, or even Google Docs. So why would you need to convert your PDF to RTF? The reason is that it's easier to edit, super portable, and perfect for reusing its content in emails, reports, or other documents. And using Tenorshare PDNob, you can convert your PDFs to RTF and other formats in just a few clicks, without losing any quality. Let's see how easy it is to convert PDF files to RTF using Tenorshare PDNob. After downloading and installing the software using the link in the video description below, launch it, and you'll arrive at this interface. Click on Open PDF, and use Windows Explorer to locate and open the PDF file you want to convert. As you can see, the software has many tools to work on any type of PDF document. Simply head over to the Convert tab, click on More, and select Convert to RTF. This sub-window will be opened up. Here you can see the details of the PDF file you want to convert, the total number of pages, and also you can specify a page range. The default output folder is set to Source Directory, and you can specify a new directory if you want. You can also use the Add Files button to add other PDF files for conversion. After you're done with this step, all you have to do next is click on Convert. Wait a few seconds, and a green check mark will appear under the status, indicating a successful conversion. Close this window, and then use File Explorer to locate the directory where the RTF file has been saved. This is the RTF file, and I'm going to open it. As you can see, the file has been properly converted. I can edit, append, or do whatever I want with this new file. And that is how you quickly and easily convert PDF to RTF using Tenorshare PDNob. To get started and to try out what Tenorshare PDNob has to offer, use the links below to try it out for free. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more official tips and tricks. Thank you for choosing our software, and we'll see you in the next tutorial.